learning to start to ask people for whatever it is you need, and being selfish before you are selfless will start to put you in a place of receiver. Also, I feel like abundance flows at people who are receivers. So see if you can start to work with that. Start to truly believe in your heart that there is no guilt and no selfishness in being a receiver. Hi Puja ma'am, my question to you is how to be a receiver. I'm always on the side of giving. Sweetheart, one of the things very important to understand as a giver is you can only give to the extent that you have received. So if you want to give more love, learn to receive more love. You want to give more respect, receive more respect. So in every manner, you have to create that cycle. So sometimes I create time and space for myself, and I really prioritize myself, because to prioritize so many other people, I need to create space. So if you truly want to become a receiver, start to go, okay, where in my life am I feeling depleted, and what is it that I need from different people, and make a list of requests. And go, you know what, I'll handle the babies the whole day, but can you help me out from 7 to 9 as I'm planning to go for a movie? Or can you help me with this? Or can you help me with that? Learning to start to ask people for whatever it is you need, and being selfish before you are selfless will start to put you in a place of receiver. Also, I feel like abundance flows at people who are receivers. So see if you can start to work with that. Start to truly believe in your heart that there is no guilt and no selfishness in being a receiver. Sometimes as we are growing up, our parents will say, Dada Dadi will give money, but don't take it. This person will give you cashew nuts when you go to their house, don't eat it. You have your own house now, don't look greedy in front of other people. And we get conditioned to kind of create that barrier of receiving. As from children, just so that we don't get greedy, we keep conditioning our kids. There's nothing wrong with that. But you know what? Also teach them how to receive, just the way you're teaching them to share, teach them to give. Receiving with elegance, grace, composure, I think so very important. So I really hope this helps you, sweetheart. Start to believe that receiving is as beautiful as giving. In my heart, I always say, God, to people I give, from you I would like to receive. So you create channels for me to be able to receive. Any guidance on tribe building, please? A few actually, Twinkle. That's a beautiful question. Step 1, always have a mission. Whenever you're building a tribe, enroll people not into falling in love with you, but into falling in love with your mission. What's your mission? Like, if some of you here will know that my mission is to help women actually become so empowered that the feminine energy in the world starts to match the masculine energy. That's truly my mission in life, okay? And when women look at that and want to be a part of that, where I believe women need to start to help women get empowered, because on our own we are not going to be able to do this. Just one single person can't do this. We as a community of women need to come together. So enrolling people into a vision or a mission that they believe in is one of the best ways to build tribe. Secondly, once you have a tribe, never disappoint them. The more they need from you, the more you need to give to them, because you know what, if they have gifted you with their faith and surrender, you show up to be there for them. Remember, a servant leader is the best form of leader. Some people lead by being authority. I believe that the best leader is the one that actually truly shows up to serve. Thirdly, be very clear about who's the enemy. Okay, so one of the things very important to understand whenever you're building tribe is, this is who I'm for, this is who I'm not for. Apple did a fabulous job of this when they launched their products. They spoke about how they were for the cool people in the world. They did not want to address the official corporate, black blazer person. They were looking at kids on, those skates, on those roller skates, and with their cool, that very Fido Dido, remember there was that character look. So they were approaching a very different segment, which was saying, you know what, if you are unique, if you are standing out, if you don't fit in, we are for you. So know in your tribe what's that words that you will be using to build the culture of your tribe. So anytime you're doing tribe building, if you can follow that, you are building a new community with a new belief system, with a new mindset, and offer that to them, works like magic, Twinkle. I hope some of these things help you. And of course, keep providing value, keep showing up, become very consistent, give them different platforms to participate with you. Some of you come and meet me at Zoom, some of you in Instagram, some of you on Facebook groups, sometimes in so like that, in Success Gyan events. Keep showing up in different platforms.